Taking positions tonight for Kapil Sibal, Dr. Gautam Barua is Director of IIT Guwahati. Mohandas Pai, former Director, HR Infosys, knows a lot about IITs and I'm sure about hiring IITians as well. And also tonight against Kapil Sibal is the left-hand side of your screen. And that's Professor A.K. Chaturvedi and Professor Somnath Biswas, who are from the Departments of Electrical and Computer Science Engineering from IIT Kanpur, and Deputy Director of IIT Delhi, Professor M. Balakrishnan, is also with us tonight. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. Are you in a minority here, Dr. Gautam Barua, among IITians by supporting Kapil Sibal? Are you in a minority, you think, on this?
Let me first begin by saying that I am not supporting Kapil Sibal. It is a decision of the IIT Council, of which Kapil Sibal happens to be the chairman.
Right.
And so indeed I am supporting the IIT Council decision which was taken on 28th of May. And whether I am in a minority or I personally or that IIT I head is in a minority, I do not know. Time only will tell.
Dr. Gautam Barua, let's follow this up. Mohandas Pai. Fact is that the accusation is that the government, let's not make it about Kapil Sibal, the government is defying sections of the IIT Act which empower the Senate of each IIT to decide the mode and manner in which students will be admitted to the IITs. Why should the government interfere?
Arnab, there is a council of the IIT under the IIT Act, and when there are matters of common interest, the decision of the council is final and binding. The Act is very clear. There is a section in the IIT Act which says that on matters of policy, the decision of the government shall be final and binding. And this matter has been discussed for the last 1 year or so. We know it from press reports and from discussions with many people. This is the interest of students. The IITs exist not for the faculty but for the students.
Sir,
it reduces the stress. It reduces stress.
How does the government have the interest of student more at heart than Professor Somnath Biswas and Professor A.K. Chaturvedi and Professor Balakrishnan? The IIT Council you're referring to is only an advisory council.
Yes.
It's nobody's boss.
But the IIT Council has a statutory backing under the IIT Act. And if you read the Act and see the functions of the IIT Council, I think it's very clear.
No, sir.
And in matters of public importance, the government does have a role.
So we're getting a rebut.
The professors from IIT Kanpur in an earlier meeting said that they don't mind doing it in 2014 because they don't have data about Standard 12 from various boards in this country.
So you're being challenged on fact from Kanpur. You're being challenged on fact from Kanpur.
Sure.
One of the esteemed professors raised his hand. Go ahead, sir. What's the view from Kanpur?
No. Sir, can we take the debate to a more academic plane rather than quibbling on whether council is an advisory body or
Absolutely.
something like
Let's do that.
In our Senate resolution also, first we talk about why we are opposed to this, and only then we talk about our autonomy. So frankly, we are forced into this situation because we are convinced what is being done in a hurry is really without due diligence, and therefore it can hurt all the students and all the stakeholders quite badly.
How can it hurt students?
Let us discuss the academic aspect.
How can it hurt students?
Yeah.
The minister says it's going to make life easy for students. One exam. Less tension.
No, I'll give you, let me make a very simple point. You see, like previously we had IIEEE and IIT JEE. And now about 5 lakh students would appear for IIT JEE and about 12 lakhs people would appear for IIEEE. These two exams are quite different because of the very nature of IIT's selection and other CFTI selection. So now, in 6 hours of sitting, one student will be asked to give these 2 types of exams. Right now the idea is JEE main will be IIEEE kind of paper, whereas JEE advanced will be JEE kind of the old JEE type of question paper. Now 7 lakhs or more students who are not interested in IITs to begin with, why are they being forced into the second exam? And the performance in this will be counted. On the other hand, this exam is very important to to select and rank the first 10,000 students amongst, let us
Sir,
say,
do you
around
want to-
5 lakh students of IIT aspirants. Yeah.
Sir, can you break away? Let's put it simply. Can you break
Yeah.
away? Okay, Gautam Barua wants to come back. He has a question. I'm coming to you in Delhi after that, Professor Balakrishnan. Yes.
I don't have a question. I just want to say what Somnath has said. See, the issue about the people who are not interested in the IIT exam taking 2 exams is not something that the IIT Council decided. In fact, in the joint council meeting of NITs and IITs, I personally had suggested that those who are interested only in the NIT should give only the first exam. However, the NIT directors said, no, we want all the applicants who want to get into the NITs to give both the exams. So it is the decision actually of the NITs. Possibly they want the students to look at both NITs and IITs as one unit, and I don't blame them for it.
No, this
So
is a,
please, it is
you know,
not a
I'm
decision of the IIT
sorry,
Council at all.
Dr. Gautam Barua, you know, I'm sorry if you disagree with what I'm about to say.
Yeah.
But I think, you know, today a 17, 18-year-old student who's preparing for the IITs or their parents or anyone are looking at this and saying that, you know, all the professors are fighting. The ministers are fighting with the IITs. I mean, why don't they get their act together? Because there was a meeting.
I agree with you.
There was a meeting in which there was representation from IITs, triple ITs and NITs. And Kapil Sibal says at that meeting nobody objected. 1 second, we have a hand being raised there. I think it's Professor Chaturvedi from Kanpur. Yes, Professor Chaturvedi. There was a meeting. No dissent then. Why dissent now?
Arnab, let us look at the substantive issues. This proposal seeks to address some of the problems that are prevailing in our society. For example, the problem of stress of students and parents. For example, the problem of rampant coaching. For example, the problem of schools not functioning the way they should function. Unfortunately, after a lot of deliberations, it is very clear that all these problems are going to get worsened with these proposals.
How?
I mean, we are with the ministry and the government when with the objectives, but the medicine is worse than the disease.
No, but where's
Do
the
you want
fact?
to make all these problems
So everybody's taking a position. Where's the fact? Who's asked the students? Mohandas Pai disagrees. Yes, Mohandas Pai.
Fact is very simple. Earlier,
1 minute, Mohandas Pai first. Mohandas Pai, then I'll go to Professor Balakrishnan. Yes, Mohandas Pai.
Arnab, if you look at the content of the scheme from whatever is available in the media, the 12th standard examination and the first test will be a grading criteria to go to the second test, and the marks in the second test on the same day will be the criteria for getting into the 10,000. It gives importance to standard 12. And giving importance to standard 12 is very important. Now, if you say that top 10% of the state boards are not good enough, some states are not good enough, you're excluding the entire education system, which is wrong.
Not
the
excluding.
Top 10% of all the boards in this country
No, but not
are
excluding.
of exceptional quality. So I don't see
no,
where this
not
whole thing
excluding.
comes from.
Sorry, not excluding. I'm saying today you're saying 50% weightage to the board examinations. Now let's say that if somebody in Assam, you say how much marks does the board in Assam give? Because Gautam Barua is from there. The board in Assam does not give the kind of marks that ICSE gives or a CBSE gives.
Yeah, that's true.
So why should the student be discriminated? 1 minute. I'm going to Professor Balakrishnan. Professor Balakrishnan, this whole business of weightage.
Yeah. So.
Yes, Professor Balakrishnan, come in. Your turn. Go ahead, sir.
See, IIT Delhi had its Senate meeting on 2nd May, in which they have made a proposal, and that proposal went to the IIT Council. The proposal essentially talks about giving importance to school examination, giving importance to the mains test that JEE talks about, but doing the final selection based on the JEE Advanced. But there is also one major difference between the proposal that IIT Delhi has made from the council proposal. The major difference is holding the exam on the same day precludes many things. First of all, what we are actually suggested in our proposal is that we should do first the shortlisting and conduct the advanced test only for the shortlisted candidates, so which cannot be first of all done on the same day, and more importantly, the examination that is to be conducted separately has to be a subjective examination. This has been an issue of debate in the IIT system for quite some time after we went from subjective to MCQ, and this is essentially done because we are not able to handle the numbers. Now with this type of a common examination appearing, actually IITs find a great opportunity to be able to go back to the subjective, and this was the proposal which IIT Delhi has made actually to the
No, one
IT
sec.
Council.
Gautam
Of
Borua,
course, the
Mohandas
IT
Pai,
Delhi-
both disagreeing with you, sir. Both disagreeing. I'm going to have to give them their
No,
turn.
that's
Yes.
okay. No.
1 minute.
See,
Okay. Okay. Let
I'm not
Dr.
here to-
Balakrishnan complete, and then I'll come to you, Gautam Borua.
Arnab, I'm not here to give my personal opinion. This
Sure,
is the
sir.
opinion of the IIT Senate. And this Senate resolution went to the Council. And now, of course, IIT Senate again has to meet after the Council resolution and take a final decision. As of today, we are not responded to the Council decision. And once the Senate meets and takes a decision, then only the IIT decision
Sir,
will be final.
I'm
But
with
as
you.
of today, the Senate resolution of IIT Delhi is quite clear on
Sir,
the
I want to
topic.
say